Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this President's Choice carbon steel roaster. My old baking pan broke, so this is the next best thing, so let's open this up. It has a removable rack and everything, so let's see. Alright, so here it is out of the box. So actually it actually does feel really nice. This non-stick coating they have here, it actually feels really nice, and it is like really thick, durable metal, so yeah, pretty decent. So it'll fit a nice bird. It comes with this rack that you can remove so you can get the drippings off, so cool. And these handles are pretty wide and stainless steel, so alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to the channel.